My name's Nasser Tanbooz. I'm the Project Manager for Daycorp here at the Bank's Precinct, Rockdale. And today I'm conducting a construction update here within the display suite. The site is approximately 5,500 square metres footprint. We've got two buildings, Building A and Building B, well advanced in construction in terms of structural floor plates. Building B, we've finished pouring level 5 and forming up level 6. Building A, we've poured level 2 and on our way to forming up level 3. The two buildings are separated by Chapel Lane, which we're building, and it's incorporated into the public domain. Building A will top out in November, Building B will top out in September. Well, the next few months we'll be busy completing the remaining suspended slabs. Also, the finishing trades will be following from ground floor and chasing the structure, and then we'll be proceeding with the external works thereafter. The Bank's Precinct is located in the heart of Rockdale. The project is located close to beaches, in particular Brightonley Sands, schools, shops, restaurants, and of course 5-minute walk to the railway station. I'm pleased to report that the project is hitting all its milestones and is scheduled for completion for June 2022.